LeapFrog Crypto here. Just a quick reminder, all the content here is purely educational, showing you how I use bots in crypto trading. This isn't financial advice, I'm simply sharing my experiences and strategies. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Happy trading! Hello everybody, it's LeapFrog. Here we're going to be talking about using the Infinity Grid bots to exit the bull market and then also to begin shorting the bull market. This is our Bitcoin forecast chart. I'm going to go through the notes at the top, which are very important. They cover the WD-GAN Markey cycle theory and also the Bitcoin 4-year cycle. It is a very comprehensive chart. We're going to focus on the more recent bull run and price action. So let's zoom in and prepare the chart so we can see it easily enough. We see the last pi cycle top in March 2021, followed by an ABC correction down into the bear markets on the 14th of November 2022. We have a pi cycle bottom and then the market starts trending upwards. We have now broken the neckline of the cup and handle. And you can see the blue rectangles that would represent Infinity Grid bots. Simply following price onwards and upwards to the top of the bull market, wherever and whenever that is. The technical breakout target for Bitcoin based on this cup and handle pattern takes us to around $353,000 or thereabouts. We can also see that the Ichimoku cloud is bullish with the Chiku span above price and price above the cloud. And the cloud in the future is green and price is also above our macro trend line. Here we see a huge M bullish harmonic Gartley pattern, which is illustrated in the small diagram over here. Normally, with a M harmonic bullish pattern, price would typically break up and break the highs of the M harmonic neckline. Here price has broken the cup and handle neckline, meaning we have a breakout. We will only exit the bull run when the PI cycle indicator crosses and signals the top is in for Bitcoin, meaning altcoins will follow and also top. We expect a market top between September 2025 and December 2025. The Elliott wave counts are also bullish with your wave 1 impulse, your wave 2 retracement, your large wave 3 impulse, and your wave 4 retracement. And we're now moving up in a macro wave 5. After wave 5, we will see an ABC correction leading us into the new bear market. We will utilize our Infinity Grid bots, which will simply follow price with the waves and down with the waves, and also sideways in ranges and breaking ranges to the top. We will then short the market using the Infinity Grid bot again as it trails up and down automatically. We also have another very useful oscillator down here which calls the bottoms and tops of the markets. Here it calls the top of the previous cycle. Here it called the bottom of the last cycle, and it's projecting the top of the market as we illustrated between September 2025 and December 2025. Learn how to use the Infinity Grid bots and profit greatly. A specific strategy we will use to accumulate more XRP and more Bitcoin is to trade XRP-BTC trading pair in the Infinity Grid bot. You will earn Bitcoin as it's on a discount and XRP is rising, and you will earn XRP when Bitcoin is rising and XRP is falling. We can also short the markets using the Infinity Grid bots and the future grid bots by using leveraged tokens and future derivatives. Always remember to trade safe. See you in the next video.